But KFC and Hardee's same.
Yeah, it's the same. I think Pizza Hut and Domino's.
No, Pizza Hut is with KFC.
Ah,
Pizza Hut, KFC, and Hardee's.
Hardee's.
And Hardee's, I think. I have, you see that there is that place where they sell shawarma after the petrol station. There's an after this filling station. There's a place where they sell shawarma. It's called Bristol something.
So yun mga guys, at yan, pang ano to, Big Eid. Ngayon siya di-deliver. So yan, mag-isa ko lang gumawa niyan. Grabe, busy ang person. So pa may bilog doon. May dalawang centerpiece pa doon. Tapos pero pang tray doon. Busy eh.